Today, I'm going to show you how to send money from your Huntington Bank account to CashApp. It's a simple process, and I'm going to guide you through it step by step. First, let's make sure you have the Huntington Bank mobile app downloaded on your phone. Once you're in the app, go to the Transfers section and select between Huntington accounts. From there, choose the accounts you want to transfer money from and to, enter the amount, and select the transfer date. Now, once you've transferred the funds to your Huntington Bank app, it's time to move it to your CashApp. Open your CashApp, click on the Balance tab, and then select Add Cash. Enter the amount you want to transfer from your Huntington account to the CashApp and then click Add. That's it. Remember, always verify the details and ensure the security of your transactions. If you have any questions about the process, feel free to reach out to the customer support of both Huntington Bank and CashApp. And there you have it. That's how you can easily send money from your Huntington Bank account to your CashApp.